Understanding your Honda Civic service schedule is crucial for its longevity. For 2021-2025 models, including Standard, Sport, EX, Touring, and SI trims, adhere to these intervals. Change engine oil and filter every 7,500 miles under normal conditions, or 3,750 miles in severe conditions. Rotate tires every 7,500 miles. Inspect the engine air filter every 15,000 miles and replace as needed. Replace the cabin air filter between 15,000 and 25,000 miles. For non-turbo models, inspect spark plugs at 60,000 miles and replace at 120,000 miles. Turbo models may differ. Check transmission fluid every 7,500 miles. Replace CVT fluid every 60,000, 90,000 miles, and check manual transmission gear oil regularly. Replace brake fluid every 3 years or 45,000 miles. Coolant replacement is needed every 10 years or 120,000 miles for gasoline models. Hybrids differ. Use the My Honda Plus app for service reminders. Using the right fluids is essential for maintaining your Honda Civic. Let's explore the recommended fluids and emerging trends in maintenance. For engine oil, use Honda's Route 20 Synthetic. The 1.5-liter turbo models require API SN Plus specification for optimal performance. For automatic transmissions, use Honda ATF DW1. Manual transmissions require Honda MTF fluid. Brake fluid should be Honda Heavy Duty Brake Fluid .3. For coolant, use Honda Type 2 with specific formulations for hybrid models. Some Civic models use Honda PSF4 power steering fluid for smooth operation. Current trends include increased use of telematics for proactive maintenance, electrification requiring more battery-related care in hybrids, and a push towards sustainable fluids. Future models may feature longer oil change intervals, reaching 10,000 miles. By 2030, expect more maintenance to involve software updates and AI-driven predictive servicing. Always use Honda genuine or equivalent parts to maintain your warranty and ensure optimal performance.